Hey, guess what, guys? I got this box in the mail the other day, and it's from YouTube. Yeah. So I got my buddy Tom from Ireland here today. He's gonna help me unbox this thing, and we're gonna see what did YouTube send me. What do you think it is?
Play button.
Yeah. Oh, you think it's a play button? Yeah. YouTube sent Bill a play button. Let's see, how do we open this thing? Wow. Wow, look at this thing, man. This is amazing. Let's get this out of here. Okay. Look, it's from YouTube. YouTube. All right, Tom. Do us a favor and open that up right there. Oh, you were right. Look at that. It's a play button from YouTube.
You read that.
Oh, you're bigger than ever. You're bigger than 1 million subscribers. Wow, that's really nice. YouTube, thank you. I appreciate it. I mean, I do now have 2 million, but it's okay. I'll take this. What do you think, Tom?
That's good.
It's good?
Yeah.
All right, I'm going to go put it up on the wall.